Welcome to EPS Momentum, the platform built for investors who want professional-grade insights. In this video, we'll break down a powerful tool, timing momentum. It helps you time investments with greater confidence. Timing momentum, or TTM Score. While EM shows you what to buy, TM helps with when to buy. It combines three factors: price movement, trading volume, and relative strength. Together, they reveal whether a stock is gaining momentum at the right time. Retail investors often struggle with entry points, buying too late or selling too early. TM Score solves that by signaling when the market is backing your stock. Example: a stock may have great fundamentals, but if TM is weak, it might not be the right time to enter. Conversely, a rising TM can confirm that momentum is in your favor. The first output column tracks the percentage change of the last 5 days in trading. It tracks the stock prices if that is broken out from a recent consolidation phase and is expected to move up, showing the stock is in uptrend. The second column in the TM criteria also incorporates the last power day. Power days are when in trading bulls rules over the bears in the market, which suggests a continued uptrend in the stock prices. So that's the time to enter the market and make fortune. The TM criteria also suggest relative market rank, which compares them to all the other stocks' price performance over time. Has been rising, they all point when to enter, suggesting high investor demand. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform, and don't forget to do your own research.